Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all have been doing great. Today is your GK book. Open your books. Now your first chapter is about jungle safari and your first chapter is animal kingdom. So let's start. Animals play an important role to balance the nature. There are different kinds of animals. Let us learn about them. Wild animals. Wild animals are those that live in the forest. Today we are going to learn about wild animals. Wild animals live in the forest. Here, as you can see, lion. Have you seen lion? Yes, you are right. You see lion in the zoo. Tiger, elephant, bear, leopard, giraffe, cheetah, rhinoceros, gorilla. Students, you all have been seen them in the zoo. Now coming next. Pets or domestic animals. Students, do you know what is pets or domestic animals? Animals that can live with us and help us in many ways in our daily lives are known as pets or domestic animals. They are live with us and they are so cute in nature. Here as you can see, cat. Cat are adorable. Dog, donkey, cow, goat, horse, camel, ox, sheep. These all are pets or domestic animals. Here in the below, interesting facts. Horses and cows sleep while standing. Wow, that's very interesting. Horse and cows are sleep while standing. I don't know this before. The camel stores food in its hump. It can go without food and water for many days. This topic is also very interesting. Coming next, animal babies. Here as you can see some animals and their babies. Let us learn about animals and their babies. Read below to see what we call their babies. Cow. Cow baby name is calf. Have you seen cow and calf? Yes. You have seen them in the shade. Horse baby name is foal. Cat baby name is kitten. Dog baby name is puppy. Now coming next. Here as we can see some more animals and their baby's name. Like sheep baby name is lamb. Goose baby name is gosling. Hen baby name is chick. Duck baby name is duckling. So today you have to read this chapter and write in your notebook. Now for today I am finishing here. Have a good day. Goodbye.